Good morning. It was not my intent to do a video this morning, but I was talking to my daughter doing FaceTime, and she said to me, I took this off first. I took this off while I was talking to her, and she said, your hair is pretty. And I said, pretty? And then she said, I'm not talking about the style, I'm talking about your hair. And I was like, that's really nice of you. Well, then she said, well, didn't you rod your hair? What happened to it? Well, I said, I can't really explain, but what I'll do is I'll do a video. And so here we go, because I have to go out to the dentist this morning. And this morning I feel so much better than I did yesterday after losing a friend. Another friend came over. And it's wonderful when you have true friends. I was on the phone and I was crying. And she said, do you need me to come over? I didn't know what my answer was to her until we started talking once she got here. And she told me that. I said, that's a good idea. And she said, I'll be there within a half hour. And she was. And she always brings so much joy to me. So that's what she did yesterday. She shares in my grief. Because she's known this woman longer than I have. But I work, I guess, closer with her now than she does. But she brought so much joy to me yesterday. I can say that she was really a blessing to me. That she was. Now, I rodded my hair yesterday. And I realized that I like it better on the second day. This is like 2 minutes into the style and I'm almost finished. I just had to wet my hands to try to manipulate my hair to where I wanted it to be. I'm going to reiterate something that I've said in most of my Sisterloc videos, is that I want you to come along on this journey with me. So if you've watched this video to this point, I want you to like, subscribe, share, and also comment. My second day hair. Second day hair. Perm Rod Set. And I want you to continue to follow me because I'm going to set my hair sometime in the next couple of weeks using sponge rollers, and then another time I'm going to use some magnetic rollers just to see if there's a difference in the curl pattern or what it looks like as a style. Yeah, I like second day hair better than I like first day hair. Easier to manipulate, and it falls wherever I want it to. So here's a sister that loves her locks. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. Thank you.